Next one is the bar and column chart. What is bar and column chart? In simple one-liner, you can use either a bar chart or column chart to compare the values across categories side by side. For example, here we have year. In each year, in these three categories, what is the sales happen? We want to compare it side by side. In that kind of situation, you can go for, this is called your column chart, this is called your bar chart, horizontal bar chart. In simple term, because a bar chart is a column chart. Okay, so in the case of bar chart, it is horizontal, whereas the column chart is vertical. That is the simple difference. If the x-axis dimension is not a simple date, a year, or something like that. For example, these values are longer, very longer. For example, so these values are very longer. In that kind of situation, for example, you plot the city name here, right? In each city of these three categories, which category are we selling more? The city name is too big. So in that kind of situation, you can go for bar chart. Because otherwise, what will happen is this city name is a very big, a very lengthy one. This city name is a very lengthy one. Both of them can overlap. It can get cluttered, very difficult to interpret sometimes. So in that kind of situation, you can go for the bar chart. Okay, if the category names are too long, so it is preferable to use a bar chart rather than the column chart. If you remember it, this is enough. Okay. So, but the column and bar chart, these two type of charts are commonly or widely used to visualize the data. Okay. But if you look at these two charts, right, it uses the rectangular bars. The rectangular bars, right? These rectangular bars, look here and here. The size of this bar is proportional to the data values. The size of the rectangle is proportional to the data value. If the sales is more, the size will be proportional to the higher volume of sales. Okay, the more the sales, right? Something like that. Now the question is when I can use the bar and column chart. If you want to compare the different categories or track changes over time using column and bar charts, we can go for these type of charts. Now the